All right. Good morning, guys. Let's do a video about trading for stocks during the morning. So I have the scanner up on Interactive Brokers. First name that shows up is SIG. A lot of volume done over here. Good gap percentage. Something I want to trade. So SIG would be the one. So stock which is in play, right? Let's see a few things. On the weekly chart, there is resistance over here, so it kind of looks like it's heading into resistance after a big pop, right? So that's one. Not too concerned on these ones. You're just gapping up on low volume. Nothing much to do over here. DVN is gapping up 6% with a lot of volume, 50,200. Something I like. High volume. Good gap percentage means there's potential for range, right? VRA, it's been up for a while. Decent volume, nothing too much. EXAS, not sure what if EXAS has any earnings or something, but it is gapping and decent volume. We'll see what happens in this one. Not the top watch, but we'll definitely watch it. Just trying to look for something which has good volume. Tesla. Right. This Tesla is in this consolidation all over here. Right? So now it's kind of gapping up about 3%. So it's a large price stock. I don't want to really trade this. Then you have ACIA gapping up 3%. Last time it had some trouble with 35 bucks. If it can go through 35, so yeah, maybe we can make a move, right? 4 hours. Not sure why is this thing so slow. Sideways consolidation. Don't really like KCI. I mean, I'll put an alert over here, right? If it goes over 35, maybe. You know what? Doesn't really do good, anyways. Screw this. Snap. Snap has been up quite a bit. It's gapping up again. 1369. No, forget it. HUYA. Doing a lot of volume pre-market. Something I'll watch, right? A lot of volume, a lot of movement. Definitely want to watch this. Let's do a refresh. Search again. Just want to make sure it's on 908. So we already covered SEG. We already covered in DVN, VRA. So I'm looking for the gap percentage in the volumes, right? EXAS. Huya. Huya might be one of the names which pops, right? It's been pretty strong for a while. Let's see, USLV is an ETF. Tesla is too big. Snap is too big. Float, CLF. This is an $8 stock. CLF is kind of gapping in the middle of nowhere. OCUL. Nothing much. CGC. Just Canopy Growth. This big move, huh? This big move up over here. So yeah, I mean, nothing much going on. Let me see high volume. So Tesla, we already talked about it. This is an ETF. Don't want to do anything with this. You know what? Just watch Tesla just for the sake. We already did SIG, DVN, CLF, X, capping middle of nowhere, CGC already did, EXAS already did, ACIA we already checked, right? So let's just put it on here. All right. So that's on the top side. Let's see if we have anything on the downside. Okay, AMBA, AMBA, nice gap. AMBA, not much volume. YY, so it looks like all these China names are getting hit, right? UFC, AMBA, YY, so that's kind of a theme, looks like it. IMGN, nothing much. So I want to see some decent gap, decent volume. So I know it's PRZD with an ETF. What else? What else? First Solar is gapping down again. It's been gapping down for a few days now. First Solar. Getting a lot of volume down here. PVR. Yeah, that's pretty much it, right? Let's do a quick volume scan. These all is an ETF. AMBA is what it would look like. PVR doesn't really trade much except for this one day when it traded a lot of volume. Nvidia is gapping down on some decent volume. Maybe if it drops to this 260 level, right, which is level on the right, so maybe it drops and have a pop, right? Nvidia would be a name to buy. It means a strong name, strong stock. Then we already looked at YY. We already looked at AU, First Solar, IMGN, FIT. Let's see FIT. Nothing going on over here. Alright, so yeah, I mean, those are the names I came up with. So these are names I'll be watching when the market opens. So looking at SIG and see how to really trade this name. Looking on the daily chart and the weekly, I mean, it is gapping up to reverse resistance over here. So yeah, I mean, I'll be looking for $49, somewhere around there for probably a short position, right? See this 49.37, 49.26, whatever this region is. So it's not really a set number. So this is like a range where it fails, and I'll look for a short, maybe another one push up, right? DVN would not really be a high potential name. I'll just watch it, right? So remove this DVN, put it down here, secondary name. Same thing with EXAS, doesn't look like something that I want to trade right at the open. Strong name on the weekly, strong name on the daily, but I mean, it's been up quite a while, so nothing to do over here. Take this off. Huya, HUYA. I mean, it's been a strong stock, right? It just moved pretty well. Doesn't really look like it's going to do anything right at the open, though. Might look for a flush. I mean, on the weekly, it's kind of too extended anyways, right? So make it as a secondary name. HUYA. Tesla, like the name, like this gapping up over yesterday bar, right? So I mean, can potentially make some moves. Like the fact that it's actually going up and doing this consolidation over here. I mean, the trend is down in the pre-market though, right? I'll watch it as a secondary move. Let's take this down here. Tesla. The next is ACIA. ACIA, actually I'll just take it off, doesn't really look too good. AMBA, right? AMBA is a big It's a pretty big drop. If you look on the weekly, I mean, he's gapping up right at support over here where previous buyers came in. So maybe if it holds under this level, right, if you look on the 30-minute chart, right, this 44, 45 is kind of a level where it's having some trouble with. So maybe have some kind of a position where if it pops up to 45 and kind of on the reversal candle, that would be a good sell, right? But it didn't really drop much, right? I mean, after this drop from 48 to 44, it kind of steadied out over here. Somewhere around 43.40, 43.50 level, right? So not a lot. I'll put on the secondary one. Don't really like the fact that it's actually holding up so well. It's kind of a concern. I want stocks which just flows really well. Then we are looking at YY. Looking at YY, let's see. So it hit this 124.65 level. So looks like this 120 is really the range where it actually gets trouble with. Right, if you take a look on this one, it kind of looks like whenever it hits this 120 level, it kind of fades off. So YY, maybe if it pops up, and then maybe look for a flush down. Right, on the hourly chart, looks like the same theory. The support on the hourly is one on 115, 120, so it's hovering somewhere around 115. If it drops under 115, there's really not much of support under 115. So that's one name I definitely want to trade. NVIDIA, I like the fact that the pre-market is actually trending down. But one thing that you will have to take a look at is on the weekly is actually trending higher. If you look on the hourly or the 4 hours, it is, I mean, if it comes to 260, you know what, if it comes to maybe somewhere around 260 level and forms like a divergence down here, then I want to look for buy opportunities over here. Right, so yeah, I mean, 3 names I want to take a look at. Most likely I'll be looking for SIG for push to 49 and see if there can be somewhere around 49, 49.50, whatever that number is. Let's look for a reversal. YY stays under 115, or maybe if it pops under 115, some kind of pattern, gonna short it. If it pops up to 120, short it. Same thing with NVIDIA. It's more of a buying opportunity. I mean, this already made this move, this pop, right? So maybe one more move to $60 level, and then maybe a buy right up. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Have a good one.